Hi, I'm Ribu Mehra.
Firstly, how does it feel coming back to ACB?
Well, I mean, it's always a pleasure to be part of ACB. As the season one, it was really thrilling, it was really exciting, and it was a big success. So, I mean, especially after lockdown, we were looking forward to it, something like this. So, we're really glad to be part of ACB season two.
After so many months of lockdown, finally all will be on the ground playing. How does it feel getting back to cricket and being on field?
Well, I mean, initially there was little hiccups that how is it going to be because being cricket a sport and everybody I mean using the same ball and every but again I mean I think we need to adapt. So yeah, I mean cricket is something which is has been in our life throughout. So I mean it is always good to see to play cricket, especially after lockdown, and I mean meeting our fellow friends and colleagues. So it's a good feeling.
What are your upcoming projects that are lined up?
Well, couple of talks in web series and in television. Let's see, nothing has been finalized as yet, but really looking forward to. I mean, 2020 has been a little dull for all of us in terms of work, so I'm expecting 2021 to be I mean, to be successful.
Are you following Big Boss, watching Big Boss at all?
Yes, of course. I'm following Big Boss because I have I mean, the actors that I've worked with. They are in the show. Ali is there, and Shardul is there. Shardul was there, and I mean, I have a couple of more actor friends like Pavitra. I mean, I know Shahzad since really long, so yeah, of course, I had to watch this season.
Uh, who do you think deserves to win according to you until now?
According to me, I think I mean Ali. I'm rooting for Ali, so I hope. I've heard that he's been evicted. I'm not really sure about that, but even if he is, I hope he comes back and he wins.
Do you like the new format of Big Boss? Like the seniors are there now, the challenges of Vikas Gupta going in.
Yeah, I think it was really interesting, and I mean I liked it personally. So I think I mean I would in last 3 4 season. I think this was one of the most. It's been quite entertaining.
If given a chance, will you ever do Big Boss?
Uh, I mean, I might actually. I mean, I would. I mean, I love doing tasks and everything. And the thing is that in Big Boss, you get to know, you explore yourself. I mean, being there all by yourself and just in that whole house, I think it's going to be one experience. So, I mean, I might.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.